Hey guys, so my next project, I'm going to do an FPV system. I'm going to put my camera up front with a flat nose, I believe, the battery for it, a force cell, and then my motor. So right now, I just have my lines worked out. I'm going to tape this and then glue it. This is an extra piece of foam board on both sides of the wing to make it longer. And then this is one big piece for the fuselage. So I'm going to cut this out, then flip it over, and match the other side so it'll be equal. Alright, here we go. So here's the wing cut out now. It's over 4 feet, so it's a pretty good wing size. Next thing I'm going to do is do my airfoil, so I'm going to create a little lip over here. So we have 3 airfoil, so one will go this way, one in the middle, one on the other side. Working on the wing angle, I decided to do something completely different. So I'm going to put air shafts on one side. Then this is about a little over an inch, and then it tapers down to about a ½ inch. Then I'm going to do 2 of these for support. Then I'll put an air shaft across here to make the wing sturdy. Alright, check it out guys. So here's my airfoil wing, shaping up pretty nicely. I'm going to have to piece this together at the very end. But it's a pretty good lip. And this is how I did it. This is a 45-degree angle and a 45-degree angle. I taped it, put the piece together like that, laid it down flat. This is an inch, inch, inch. Cut the lines, and then I bent each one individually. Then I glued the inside to make it real strong. And then see how it's a little curved a little bit, and then fold it down nicely like that. Alright, I'm going to keep working with it. Looking good so far. Moving on to the centerpiece, I have my motor mount done out of paint sticks. Got my wall going up at an angle. Battery will sit right here in the middle. I'm not too sure where just yet. These are my front pieces. These are Walmart foam board, heavy gauge. This is like a Dollar Tree foam board. It's like this. And I'll get a piece from the bottom and wrap it all the way around. Okay, so one whole piece started at the bottom, and I wrapped it around. And then I just cut the dimensions out what I needed. So it looks great. So my compartment right here, I may just cut this back even further. I'm not too sure just yet on my door, but it's a start. So I'm very happy with that aspect. Looks great. First time doing that. Yeah. Servos are in now. I have the servo right in the middle of my aileron. And I put a little slot right here. So when I bring this wing down, it will match up to the side here. And I have a good glue. I'll put a bead line of glue, about 1/4 inch. Instead of doing a glue of an inch, I'm just going to do a bead line. And after I glue that, I'll cut this wider so the servo arm can move. Alright guys, here's the aircraft completely done. Camera's in front. I just made a compartment for it. So it's glued in pretty good. Anything goes wrong with it, I'm going to have to really cut into it. So hopefully it's pretty good. I got a side compartment for my small battery for my camera. Compartment right here will be held down by rubber bands. Over here I had to cut this open. My servo wasn't working properly, so I had to fix it. I did an under-over weave, and my fins are up as well. So the plane looks fantastic. I cannot wait to fly it and try it FPV for the first time. Before my first flight, I went ahead and painted the aircraft. So I made a sun visor for the camera, just in case I need it. Turned out pretty good. And the underneath, nice and bright. Alright, let's go and do a first flight. Here we go. Okay guys, so here we go. I have it set to record on my iPad. So here's my dogs. They're going to chase after an airplane. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Alright, here we go. Trims off a little bit, not too bad. This is less than half throttle. Seems to be pretty fast. Bring it back around, do a slow pass this time. Alright, back around. Okay, let's go a little bit of a speed pass. And a roll out. And back around. Alright, so I had to add some weight to the nose. But flies great for the first time. Let's do a slow roll. Uh-oh, hang on. Okay, a flip.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Alright. Let's do a quick flip. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's pretty quick. And toward me. Alright, the sun's out, so it'll be interesting to see how the camera does with the sun. Alright, coming in for landing. First flight, great, right off the bat. Coming in right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. My final thoughts on the aircraft are the camera did great except for flying into the sun, so I guess don't fly into the sun. The plane itself performed perfectly. If you're wondering about the dimensions, this is about 6 inches from the back all the way to the front. Looking at 20, actually about 19 inches. And then this lip right here is about 3.5 inches. And then the wing, 27 inches. And then this part right here, about 5 inches. Then the 5 inches is only from this point over, not the elevator. And the elevator is about 1.5 inches. And then it flares out on the biggest part, about 3. Alright.